So in this video, we're going to see a data structure question from year GATE 2011, and it is based on the topic of max heap. So let's read what the question is. A max heap is a heap where the value of each parent is greater than or equal to the value of his children. So this is the usual definition of max heap, which they have given right at the beginning of the question. Now, which of the following is a max heap? So we are given four options, A, B, C, D, and we have to find out which one of them is a max heap. So first, let's quickly note down whatever definition they have given of max heap. So they said that the max heap, this is how my max heap is going to look. So whatever is the parent is going to be greater than or equal to its children. So it might have a child 1 year, okay, and it might have a child 2 year. So these are the two children, and the value of the parent node is going to be greater than or equal to both of its children. So using this definition, let's see one by one every option and see whatever fits into this definition or not. So first, let's see option A. Now in option A, this is the root parent, and this parent has two children, which is 8 and which is 6. Let me zoom in here. Yes. Okay. So here clearly parent's value is greater than the both of his children. So now we go to the next node. So this is also a parent, and this is a child, and its value is greater than its child. So no problem this node, no problem this node. Now let's check this node. This is a parent for 5 and 2, and its value is greater. So no problem to this node. Now this is also a parent for this child, and its value is greater than the child. So no problem for this node. So here in the option A, we have 4 parent nodes, and all of them satisfy the property of max heap as per the given definition in the question. So we might be tempted immediately to mark this option A and then move ahead. However, there is another important property of max heap which the question has intentionally not mentioned, and that property is, let's come here. Okay, so as we know that in a max heap or even in a min heap, in any heap, the nodes are always inserted in a level order. So first will be this node inserted, then this will be the second node, and then this will be the third node. Then this will be the fourth node, and this will be the fifth node. Then this will be the sixth node, and then this will be the seventh node. So as you can see that the insertion in the max heap or even in a min heap is always happening in a level order way. Okay, so at any point of instance, the max heap will be full level by level, level number 1, level number 2, level number 3. Okay, so here clearly in option A, this property is not satisfied. You can see that this has a missing child here. In spite of this having a missing child, we have got these nodes full, which is incorrect, which is violating the property of max heap. Hence, option number A is not the correct option. Although it is satisfying one property of max heap, that the parent has to be greater than the children, but it is not satisfying this important another property of the max heap. So option A is not the right answer. We have to go now to option B. So the question intentionally doesn't mention this property, I think, to confuse the students, so the students immediately mark A and move ahead. So now let's go to option B. Now in option B again, we have this as a parent node, yes, and this has two kids, 8 and 6. So parent is greater than the children, no problem. So I'm going to mark this tick mark. Then we go to this parent node. It has two children again, 4, 5. Both of them are less than the parent node, so this is okay. Then let's go to 6. 6 is also a parent node, and both its children are having less values, 1 and 2. So 6 is also clear. And we can also see that this max heap, okay, this satisfies the level order filling property. Okay, the nodes are always inserted in a level order way. So this is also satisfied here. So option B clearly looks a correct option in this entire question. However, let's just mark it as a probable option, and let's go to C and D. And let's confirm that C and D are definitely an incorrect option. So in option C, we can see that, okay, this is a parent and both are less than, so this is okay. This is also parent, this is less than, okay. You see, this is a problem here. Here you can see that for 5 as a parent, the children is having a greater value, which is violating the max heap property. So C is definitely out of competition. Let's cross check with D. So 5 is a parent and 2 and 8. Again, 8 is a problem. 8 is not allowed in the maxi. The child cannot have a value greater than the parent. So D is also wrong option. So clearly in this question, option number B is our right answer. Yes.